Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I want to share my workout. How to make bigger chest. After I work out like this every day, I have bigger chest than before. Last month I have thin chest and bony, so I just try this. I have too good heel. I have no dumbbell, no gym, but I try this every day, and my heel is better. If you like my video, please comment. I will make video every day. Try workout together for strong and healthy.